Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the MacBook. This prevents short circuits and accidental input. Next, position the laptop open at a comfortable angle and use a plastic pick placed at the bottom edge of the keycap, not metal, to avoid damage. Pry gently until you feel the light click of clips releasing. This initial lift is crucial because aggressive force bends scissor clips. Once the cap is slightly raised, slide your pick to one side to free the opposite clip carefully. Once the cap is free, lift straight up to avoid deforming the scissor mechanism. You want to preserve both halves of the hinge for reinstallation. If the scissor or retainer pops free, collect both small pieces and note how they interlock. This prevents losing alignment later. Use a photo or mark the orientation now because keys are asymmetric. Clean under the key with compressed air or a lint-free cloth. Do not use excessive liquid. Make sure parts stay in a small container to avoid loss. To reinstall, first position the scissor retainer into its slot with the small hook seated. Then align the keycap above and press evenly until you hear a click. This restores tactile travel. Test the key by pressing several times and check for wobble or uneven return. If it sticks, remove and inspect for debris or misaligned parts. If a clip is cracked, replace the retainer rather than gluing because adhesive alters travel and can damage contacts. If something goes wrong, stop and reassess rather than forcing components back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.